Hey kittens. It is the end of August and I'm in Juneau, Alaska. And I actually just took the Goldbelt Tramway up to the top of some mountains up here. So I'm doing a little mountain climbing today. My arm's getting better. I'm on the back end of magnificence again. So anyway, I thought I'm gonna come out. Oh, been hiking a while. I'll tell you what, it is much warmer here in Juneau. Fortunately, I thought to bring a tank top because I always layer when I hike. So I've got layers on. I'm really happy about that today. Make it a